Ever wondered why your stomach makes those loud growling noises, especially when you're hungry? It's all about a process called peristalsis, waves of muscle contractions that move food, liquid, and gas through your digestive tract. When your stomach is empty, these contractions continue, mixing gases and fluids, making those familiar growling sounds. Hormones like ghrelin signal your brain to trigger these contractions, clearing out any leftover particles. It's a natural part of digestion, amplified when your stomach is empty, reminding you it's time to eat.